Hello everyone and welcome back. Ciao a tutti e bentornati. In the previous lesson we learned the Italian cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3. These indicate precise quantity, just like the numbers we use in maths. In this video lesson we'll move on to ordinal numbers. First, second, third and so on. They change to agree with the noun they are describing. For example, prima, fila. Fila is feminine, so instead of primo becomes prima. Secondo posto, primi arrivati. I will show you how to form them. We practice together with some examples and exercises, and by the end you'll be able to use them in everyday situation. Let's start with come si formano. It is very easy. The first 10 you have to learn them by heart. But from 11 you can just remove the last vowel and add esimo. For example, 11, remove I and put esimo, undicesimo. 40, remove A and put esimo, quarantesimo. Now I'm going to show you a table, and you can use this one to revise also the cardinal numbers and to study the new ordinal numbers, or to keep it as a reference. You can stop the video and take notes, or you can take a screenshot and keep it as a reference. As you can see, from 1 to 10, they are all different. We have primo, secondo, terzo, quarto, quinto, sesto, settimo, ottavo, nono e decimo. And then you can just do the magic trick. Remove the last vowel and put esimo. Let's see together some exercises. In the first one, you have to write the numbers in letters. Stop the video and do this exercise at your own pace. Now I will show you the answers. Allora, I hope you scored 10 on 10. Let's move on. In this one, you have to choose the correct answer. You don't need to stop the video. You need to think very quickly. I will give you only 2 seconds to think the answer. And the question is... I want to show you some websites where you can practice online. And the first one is Wordwall, and it has a lot of fun games. When you select one, you can see, for example, this one is a quiz, and here on the right hand side you can see which ones are offered. For example, open the box or flashcards and so on. The second one is ADG blog, and it's a very rich website. You have a recap and then some exercises. Here on the left you have a lot of articles, but also some categories here, and you can practice beyond numbers. And the third one is this one, that is Italiano in linea. Here you have straight away an exercise. Let's go back. Okay, as the second interactive exercise, you have a quiz on a Google form. And that's it. In the next video, I will talk about some particular use of the numbers, and we can practice with leveled exercises from A1 beginners to B1, B2 intermediate. Well done for today. Bravi, grazie e a presto!